Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper of Monday, June the 10th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. It's now time for the two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary, but let me start with the binary first. And this one will be number 8693. Come on. 8693. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8 binary puzzle, that means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we need a double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 O's. I cannot place the 4th O there, otherwise we have here 4 ones in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. That box should be a 1 then. Yeah. Here we have 3 ones and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, so that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. These 2 boxes should be an O then. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box will be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here also between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. Well, I'm stuck here. Need to compare. I cannot compare the rows. Well, not true. We have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no O. This should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, I need to compare these 2 columns or these 2 rows. Oh, double O. Overlooked. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished. 4 minutes. Well, this one. Another one with a lot of troubles, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.